Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the aromatic world of Thai fish cakes. But there's a twist. We'll be uncovering fascinating and lesser-known facts about this beloved Thai dish. But before we embark on this culinary adventure, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our food explorations. Let's start with the basics. Thai fish cakes, known as Tod Mun Pla, are a beloved street food in Thailand. They have their roots in Thai cuisine and are an incredible blend of flavors from various regions of the country. The heart of Thai fish cakes lies in the ingredients. Fresh fish, like mackerel or a local fish called pla cry, is combined with red curry paste, kaffir lime leaves, and long beans. It's a marriage of sweet, spicy, and savory. Making process of Thai fish cake. Prepare the fish. Clean the fish thoroughly, removing any bones and skin. Cut it into chunks and blend. Mix the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, combine the fish paste with red curry paste, shredded kaffir lime leaves, chopped long beans, an egg, fish sauce, sugar, salt, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Wet your hands to prevent sticking. Then take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into small, round cakes or patties. If you'd like, you can coat the cakes with crushed cornflakes for added crunch. Carefully place the fish cakes into the hot oil. Fry them until they turn golden brown, about 3-4 minutes on each side. Be cautious when flipping them to prevent splatters. Once the fish cakes are crispy and golden, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. In a separate bowl, mix the diced cucumber, sliced shallots, chopped bird's eye chilies, sugar, vinegar, water, and a pinch of salt. Arrange them on a platter with a side of the dipping sauce for a burst of flavors. It's not just fish in Thai fish cakes. There are variations with shrimp, crab, and even tofu for vegetarians. The result is an irresistibly crunchy exterior that perfectly complements the tender, flavorful center. Thai fish cakes wouldn't be complete without a delectable dipping sauce. We'll explore the balance of flavors in the traditional dipping sauce: sweet, sour, and spicy. Thai fish cakes play a role in Thai culture and are often enjoyed during festivals and celebrations. While they're a delicious treat, Thai fish cakes offer health benefits too. By explore, we know that the nutritious aspects, such as being a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids in it. Thai fish cakes vary from region to region in Thailand. We'll explore how different provinces put their unique spin on this beloved dish. Fish cakes are not exclusive to Thailand. It is the art of plating Thai fish cakes and how to make them not only delicious but also visually appealing. Did you know that fish cakes were invented as a way to utilize leftover fish? Tamarind paste is a key ingredient in Thai fish cake dipping sauce. It contributes to the tangy and sweet flavors. We take a stroll through the vibrant streets of Thailand and visit a local street food vendor to witness the art of making and selling Thai fish cakes. Fish cakes often grace the tables at Thai wedding feasts. We explore how these delectable bites become a symbol of celebration. Fish cakes have even influenced Thai desserts. The sweet versions of fish cakes are created, and they offer a unique twist on traditional Thai sweets. The aroma plays a crucial role in the overall experience. Thai fish cakes are not only culinary delights but have also found their way into Thai literature and art. Fish paste is a crucial component of fish cakes. Street vendors are masters at crafting fish cakes. We'll chat with a Thai fish cake vendor who will share their culinary secrets and insights into the art of street food. Fish cakes are often a symbol of Thai hospitality. They're offered as a gesture of welcome and kindness to guests. We taste various fish cakes, both traditional and innovative, to see if we can identify the unique flavors and ingredients. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of Thai fish cakes and their remarkable and lesser-known facets. Whether you're an avid Thai cuisine enthusiast or simply curious about this iconic dish, there's always something new to discover. Share your own Thai fish cake stories, treasured recipes, or any unique experiences in the comments below. Until our next exploration, keep savoring the irresistible allure of Thai fish cakes. We have many more delicious journeys ahead. See you in the next video.